Hey, this is Allie, and I'm so excited to tell you about this new hose. For transparency, I was given this for free, but it never affects my review. This is a fantastic hose. I am somebody who usually gets my water in big, large 5-gallon or 1-gallon glass containers. And I've had glass containers or plastic containers in the 5-gallon, and I'm always looking for something that can have a great fit for the tubing and for the top. And this is my replacement tube, and it's been fantastic. It arrives in this really simple, easy to open box. I appreciate that. You're just going to open it up, and this is what it looks like when it arrives. Okay, so here's my 5-gallon glass container. And what you can do is just take the top right here, and it slides so easily over the top. Just super simple. The tubing itself, I love the size of this because it gets all the way down to the base of my container, which is exactly what you want. You don't want anything to come short of that, because then you're not going to end up getting all the water out of your container. This is a wonderful size. Just going to feed it all the way through. And you can see it gets all the way to the bottom, and I have extra space. This is the base of my pump, and you're just going to slide it into the little area. And you're just going to slide it right onto this little area. Super simple. And when you go to push it down, I love this part. It slides so nicely, and it hugs this area so it's not jumbled all around. It fits really, really nice. And when you're ready for water, it just comes out really nicely. I really love that I can use this tube as a replacement. You always want to be replacing that tube to have a clean, fresh tube for your water. I love that. When you're ready to take it out, you're just gonna wiggle this up. Super easy and smooth to come off. Love that. Undo the tubing, and you can just feed it right back up. This has a little nozzle right here, so it's so easy to just pop right off. If you were looking to use it as a cap, you can slide it over the top and take this little top piece to just close it, and now you have a totally enclosed cap. It works on both glass bottles and plastic bottles, which is awesome. Being able to change out my plastic tubing for my 5-gallon containers has been awesome. It keeps my water tasting fresh, and I love that I can just replace this anytime I need it. This cap is amazing. I absolutely love this set. I definitely give this one a high rating, and I hope that helps.